I'm very thrilled to be here to present to all of you some solutions that I believe that well fit with the solutions that my colleagues introduced before me. And I believe also that this solution could also satisfy the mandate that we received yesterday. So crude to money, we have to resume in these few words, because we believe that beside the commodities produced by crude, another way to improve the economics is to integrate also with higher value products downstream the commodity. And the products that I'm going to introduce to you and that can be offered by Conser portfolio are some specialties, but not niche specialties, that are also some internal demand in India. Then we see very strong opportunity. More in detail, I will speak about butyl and halobutyl rubber that are produced by isobutylene, and maleic anhydride and its derivatives that are produced starting from normal butane. But before to start, just a few words about Conser. Conser is part of Maire. Maire is an Italian group, international group, that provides not only integrated engineering and construction solutions with the company like Tecnimont and KT, but also provide sustainable technology solutions thanks to the NextChem company. And Conser is one of the licensors belong to NextChem. In Conser is a company, an Italian company with 55 years of history, and during these years we developed inside a lot of technologies. We can resume in this slide. We offer technologies about advanced polymers, related to the advanced polymers, like bioplastics, rubbers, and fibers. We provide technology related to the special solvent. We have also technology dedicated for the food industries, like malic and fumaric acid. And we have also technologies that are related to the resins and plasticizers. And finally, we have also technology for the industrial solvent, for example, the acetone derivatives. Our services as a licensor are providing the license, the PDP, proprietary catalyst, and proprietary equipment. Now we can start talking about the valorization of the isobutylene. Isobutylene is the raw material for the production of butyl and halobutyl rubber. Is polymerized with a low amount of isoprene at a very low temperature in a cationic polymerization. Then the products are recycled and purified. Not the product, the unconverted monomers can be recycled and purified in order to decrease the consumption of the raw materials and then the OPEX. Then the product, the rubber, can be sent to the finishing in order to produce the regular butyl rubber. Otherwise, it's possible, in order to improve the vulcanization property of the rubber, the butyl rubber can undergo an halogenation process in order to produce the halobutyl rubber. That is, can be bromobutyl rubber or chlorobutyl rubber. In Concert, we developed two technologies, both of which are industrially proven. One process is the conventional double slurry system. The other one is the PDD, the polymer directed dissolution process. The first one, the DSS, is more suitable when the main product is the regular butyl rubber or another rubber that is called the polyisobutylene rubber. Since the market demand is more occupied by the hollow butyl rubber, in order to decrease the capex, in order to improve the capex, the opex, and in order to improve also the quality and the operation, in order to improve the quality of the product and the operation of the plants, we developed also the PDD process that is more dedicated to the production of the hollow butyl rubber. But what is hollow butyl rubber? Hollow butyl is a rubber with very important properties in terms of impermeability. It is the rubber with highest impermeability properties, high resistance to the heat, high absorption, energy absorption, and these properties make them a rubber that find applications in the tire industry. Indeed, is used for the production of the inner liner of the tires, and also for the production of pharma stoppers, or also for sportive clothes and sport goods. What is important? It's important to underline that Concert is the only licensor that can be offered this technology for butyl and hollow butyl rubber without imposing its involvement in the market, in the product marketing and in the plant ownership. We see that there is a lot of opportunity for this product in India, since there are more than 60 tire industries in India, and with a CAGR expected more than 10%. At the moment, there is one only plant for this product, and a large amount of butyl and hollow butyl rubber are at the moment imported in India. Then we can talk about the valorization of the normal butane, and we can start to talk about the maleic anhydride plant. Concert is among the main licensor for the maleic anhydride plant, and compared to the other competitors, we have the possibility to offer the off-gas recycle solution that is a way in order to decrease the OPEX, because we reduce a lot the normal butane consumption. We produce an off-gas recycle, a lower amount of gas recycle, and also with lower CO2 emissions. And we have also the possibility to offer a plant without any wastewater effluent. What is maleic anhydride? Maleic anhydride is an important key intermediate in the petrochemical industry. Indeed, is used for production of several products, as you can see in this slide, and all of these products belong also to the Concert portfolio. We have technology to produce malic and fumaric acid used in food industry, special anhydrides used as hardener in epoxy resins. We have technology for the succinic anhydride, for the production also of malates that are plasticizer. And we have technology also for the production of BDO, DMS, THF and GBL that we will see also in the next slide. And, we have also technology for the production of PTMG used for the production of textiles like spandex, and also technology for the production of NMP and pyrrolidons. A few words about malic and fumaric acid that are additives used in the food industry, since they have properties like pH corrector. Malic acid is produced starting from maleic anhydride and water. We can produce also in campaign, and we can produce only malic acid, but it's possible also to have a production of fumaric acid, and we can adjust the production in order to meet the market demand. Regarding instead the other product starting from maleic anhydride, we have technology for the production of the monomers used in the biodegradable plastics like BDO and DMS. BDO is used in biodegradable plastics like PBAT. And we have the possibility also to offer the co-production of DMS. When this approach, the co-production of BDO and DMS, is part of the so-called duetto concert technology, this process allows a reduction of the production cost of the PBS, that is a very promising biodegradable plastics. In this slide you can see some words about the biodegradability. Biodegradability belongs to the molecular properties. So it means that molecular can undergo microbially induced sane scissions to mineralization, and these belong to the molecular properties, so we can obtain biodegradable plastics even if are fossil based. In the last years the production of bioplastics increased a lot, because it's important to understand that some recycle process for sure helps the sustainability of the plastics industries, but for some applications, the so-called hard to recycle applications, it's important to apply the biodegradable plastics. And PBS is one of the biodegradable plastics with very important properties. For example, heat resistance, flexibility and compatibility, that make it a very important product that with several applications. And it's important also to understand that the growth of the biodegradable plastics is linked also to the mandate by the government, and in recent years important input as done by China and Europe. For the substitution of single-use plastics in China, and in Europe for the applications in the agrochemical. Regarding other products, that derivatives of maleic anhydride, Conser has also technology for the production of special solvent, for example GBL and THF. We can propose a first solution in which we can produce directly from maleic anhydride, and in this scheme we have the co-production of the GBL and the THF. In the second configuration, we can produce GBL and THF starting from the butanediol. That is also, as we saw, also a derivative of maleic anhydride. The GBL find several applications in solvent, as a solvent, mainly in electronic industry, and has also an application because it's the raw material for the production of NMP. NMP with a very simple process. This technology belongs also to Concert technology. What is NMP? NMP is the solvent used for the production of lithium battery, and its demand is still grow due to the growing production of EV.
Mr. Simone, we are running out of time, please.
Yeah. Regarding the THF, also THF has important applications as a solvent, but main applications is the production of the PTMG, that is the precursor for the production of spandex. As you can see, we developed our technologies is as low capex and important improvement in terms of energy consumption and recovery of raw materials and production of very pure co-product like methyl acetate that allow to have a very interesting production cost of PTMG. TNG, as I said, is used for the production of spandex and also for special polyurethanes. Spandex is fiber used, for example, in sportswear. Just a summary about Concert portfolio, that we can see that Concert offers an integrated solutions for the production of butyl, allobutyl rubber and high molecular polysubutylene starting from isobutylene, and maleic anhydride and its derivatives starting from the normal butane. Just a few words about Concert reference. We have several reference industrial proven both for maleic anhydride derivatives and butyl rubber. Then thank you for your attention. Please feel free to contact us if you want to enter more in detail in some technology. Thank you.